Welcome to Veeology.
Hello guys, so you have made it into my kitchen. So guys, I will be doing a premiere, a collab, and guys, guess what? It's something healthy, and if you want to know what it is, stay tuned. So guys, the host of this is Stephanie, and it's Stephanie 50 and climbing mukbang. So it is several of us that is in this collab. So guys, it has to do with orange tea. Your twist, your tea. So guys, what I am doing is a healthy immune tea. So you know it's pollen season. We have the C19 out there. So therefore, I wanted to do something that was to boost your immune system. So what is mine? It is orange, mint, and ginger tea. So if you want to see me make this tea, you know, just stay tuned. Okay, everyone, I am using my electric kettle, and here are some navel oranges, followed by some mint leaves, and I have them organic, and some ginger, and it is fresh. And you can't forget tea and your water. So let's get started. Okay, so I know there are so many people that will peel their ginger, but did you know the skins of the ginger has different things that helps your immune system? So the next time you use ginger, even if you're cooking with it, leave your skins on. So this is the way I'm cutting my ginger. So now let's move over to the orange. So guys, I am just going to cut the top and the bottom off my orange, cut it in 4 sections, cut those 4 sections into 4 more sections, which we will have 8. Okay guys, it is time to cut our mint leaves, and they are organic. But guys, remember to use your root with this tea, because remember, your roots have some things in it that your body needs. So the first thing I want to do is add 2 cups of water into my kettle. Okay, now it is time to put in all of the ingredients into my kettle. First, I'm going to put my oranges in. And yes, we're putting all of the oranges in. Next, we will grab our ginger. And remember, it's the ginger with the skins. And lastly, it is our mint. So let's put the mint in. But can you guess what we forgot to put in? Yes, guys, the Earl tea. The Earl Grey tea is what I'm going to use. So I'm going to open this up and pop it in. So now I'm going to use 1 cup of Splenda. And guys, it is time to pour in my yummy tea. The wonderful thing about this tea is you see all of the beautiful ingredients. You can take these, drain the water off them, put them in another container, yes, and freeze them. You can use this up to 3 times. Yes, guys, 3 times after your first brew. So here it is. I'm adding mine to a glass dish, and after it, I will be popping it in my freezer. Okay guys, so here is my tea, and you see it still has steam coming out of it, and my house smells absolutely so good. So, you know, you have to go in for that taste test, right? So here we go. And I'm not an orange girl unless it's Tropicana or simply juice. So this is the twist for me. Oh my gosh, it tastes healthy. It tastes super healthy. And I wanted to do an immunity tea for the simple reason of the things that's out there. Here in the South, we are dealing with pollen. And you know everybody is dealing with the C19 stuff. So I wanted to do something that was great for your immunity. And guys, here it is. So if you look down in the description bar, I will have everything that I use in my tea. And guys, must I say this in this video? I have another premiere today, and I would love to see you there. I have a premiere at 7 p.m. So, I would love to see you there. And guys, you know I always say at the end of all of my videos, thank you for coming. Please like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up my video, share it out, tell a neighbor, tell a friend, tell your postmaster to share it with the customers that he deliver mail to. And guys, you know I said at the end, gotta go, but I will be back until the next time. See you at 7 o'clock. Bye guys. Super good, super good. So guys, if you decide to taste this tea, please do let me know, how do you like it? It has so many wonderful benefits for your body and your life. See you in the next one, guys.